Hello, my friends. Welcome back. How are you all doing? Hopefully, you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Happy Day Crafts. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a book that I purchased. This is the Botanist sticker anthology. As you guys know, we previously did a haul for like sticker books and like books with cut parts and stuff like that. And this is the latest edition. I've been on the hunt for finding all different types of things that can help myself along with Sasson's Vintage World, who's hubby for those of you guys who don't know. To help us along with like our artistic process. He likes to do vintage type of creations. I like to do more colorful types of things. So we've been kind of adding things to our collection of just like cut aparts and images and things like that. I previously shared this book, and if it wasn't me, then it was definitely Sasson's Vintage World, so go check him out as well. If you wanted to see a flip through of the antiquarian sticker book, it's an amazing book with full of images, super thick. I brought this out today so that I can show you guys the comparison in size. So if you're wondering if they're the same size, they're not. I will leave a link down below for this sticker book in case you're interested. And again, super cool. It is a little bit larger than the antiquarian one. I haven't even flipped through this book yet, you guys. Okay, so this is the Botanist sticker anthology. And it says, get lost in the beauty of the natural world in this captivating collection of botanical stickers. Page after page is packed with beautiful vintage drawings of ornamental flowers, tropical ferns, and other exotic plants and fungi. Get creative, adorn your personal items with more than 1,000 botanically themed images, create gorgeous artwork and stationery, or simply enjoy this book as an exquisite keepsake. Now for me, that I've recently started playing around with like resins and more recently, I've been playing around with UV resin. I spent all of last year experimenting with regular resin and like the two-part mixing epoxy resins and the polyurethane resins. So I spent all of last year kind of working with that. This year, I started off the year with a new craft, which is what I tend to do every year. I tend to start the new year. From what I've noticed, I tend to start the new year with like a whole new crafty kind of flow. And this year is going to be a lot of UV resin, as well as other resins, but a lot of UV resin. I've been loving playing with those. And I thought that this would be super awesome to create like all different types of things for my UV resin projects. And so, oh my God, I'm so excited to see. Let's see, are the pages numbered? Nope, the pages are, oh, they are. So there's 227, 230, 31. There's about 232 pages if you count this printed one in the back. Oh, I love that they're labeled. I'm going to try to get the glare out of you guys' eyes. And again, these are all stickers, so you can go ahead and kind of pull these out. And this is going to make an awesome book to alter once it's all done, which is going to be the goal if we ever finish those books, because there's so many stickers in there. Like, honestly, unless you're like jam packing them onto every project, you're going to probably go through the whole year and not use them all. But super pretty. I love how vibrant the colors are. And that's one thing about these particular books. The colors are so vibrant. They're so pretty. I like the fact that there's a lot of vintage elements because that, especially for like Sasson's style of crafting, he will definitely be able to enjoy all of the beautiful vintage imagery. And these obviously, you're not gonna have, you get like spacer pages, I guess is what I'm gonna call them, because the stickers are on this side, so that's like the matting for the other side. But you'll still be able to peel this off and use this part of it as well for other things. So everything is kind of sectioned off. We have rainforest. I would have loved to have seen maybe like a glossary in here. I think it's like the only thing that's kind of missing in this book. Like if they would have just took a page to tell us a section, since they took the time to divide them up. That would have been really cool, because then I could just go straight to that section there. But what we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing in order to make my searches a little bit quicker. But these are printed on white. sticker paper. This right here, these are stickers themselves as well. So some of the bags, like when you see them like this and then you see that it's like another full page, these full pages are stickers as well. This one is a sticker of like an oval, so you have like a big oval shape here, and then so you get two big oval shapes on this. So like this whole centerpiece is what you're going to capture for a resin project. I think that will look gorgeous. Ooh, we have aquatic, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys know I love me some sea themes, anything. And this is going to be super cool. I can cut these out and like, oh my god, oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Look at the pretty dragonflies. And again, with a lot of vintage flair. I love it because it caters to both of our styles. This one here has a rounded square or rounded rectangle. So it's got the corners are rounded and it's got the same thing on both sides. Again, beautifully illustrated, vibrant, beautiful colors. Here we have a garden theme. So we have some bugs. And like for me, I personally would have preferred if the images were cut straight to the image. Like if the image cutout was straight to the image. So I'm going to have to do a lot of cleaning with these before I get to use them like in a resin craft or any kind of craft actually. I don't like the white edges around my images. I never have. Even when I fuzzy cut straight to the line. Because I find that when I'm trying to cut around them, I always get it wonky and I never get it like as perfect as you can see them here. So yeah, but definitely beautiful, beautiful. Hopefully I'm not talking too much. But I love it. Oh my goodness. These are going to look so awesome. Especially when I get to like make them nice and stiff. Like I've been playing recently. This is something that if I can get it straight enough. This is something like that I've been playing with, making my own kind of like resin embellishments, which I'll bring that to you guys in another video at another time. But I love this because I can definitely incorporate some of this into my upcoming projects. And I'm going to be doing all different types of things, you guys, as usual. That's something that's you know, with my channel, I always do all different types of crafts because I love all different types of crafts, some more than others, but nonetheless. Back to where I was. So beautiful images, you guys, absolutely gorgeous. I love all of these. This can go with like a shabby project too, like super pretty. So many vintage little elements. I love that. Gotta be careful because in flipping the pages you can detach the stickers, I see. But oh my goodness, you guys. So I wanted to share this with you. I've shared some other Amazon books that I've purchased. Well, some other books that I've purchased on Amazon. This is very pretty. This as well. They're all very pretty actually. I love it. A lot of yellows in this. Again, definitely suits to the vintage aspect, or to the vintage style, I should say, the vintage colors. They're very pretty. And I am gonna continue to like do my art journaling. I am gonna continue to like do my mixed media. I know I kind of started the year with you know, resin and stuff like that. Usually because again I like to start the year with some kind of new craft or new project. I did a whole year of like Lapbooks one year, and again with my mixed media and everything I was incorporated into it because that's passion number one. So I will continue to do the same, but I'm going to be incorporating a lot of resin type projects into this year's crafts. So if you're new to resin, I'm new to resin as well. If you're new to resin, then I welcome you to join this journey with me so that we can learn together and we can inspire each other. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I've made a lot of, well, I made a few cool crafts so far. I have a really awesome project coming up that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I already shared with you guys part one, where I made these really cute butterflies. I still have to finish that project, but I've already got like a whole bunch of little pieces and stuff assembled that are gonna go into that. So I'm really, really excited for what is coming this year, you guys. And as always, please comment down below. Let me know if if you like these types of shares, if you like these types of books. What would you use your book for? What kind of projects or crafts are you into? I would love to hear all of that. That helps me to know which kind of videos you like so that I can make more of them for you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this entire page. Ooh, don't love it too much, Carmen. I love this entire page. Oh my goodness, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty and vibrant that is. I love it. So many beautiful flowers and so many strange looking flowers that I've never seen before. Maybe those are just creative, but if they're really like that, those are absolutely gorgeous. Just goes to show you how amazing our planet is overall, with so many different life forms and just the different styles, colors, patterns. So amazing. Okay, this one has another square. So I guess that's what they did with these. They did like squares. So maybe like if you wanted to do a book cover, you just have to get the measurement of what the square is, and then just basically you already have your covers. So here we have woodland. So here we're gonna have like worms, caterpillars, all different types of trees, other bugs, mushrooms. Oh, I love it. I'm actually in the process of making my own mushrooms. If I can get mine done properly, I'm definitely going to share that with you guys. They're going to be in UV resin. And I do have a haul to share with you guys for some things that I purchased from Amazon, but they're UV resin related, so I'll share that in a separate video. It's just been, oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. This would actually go perfect in my project, and I'm going to be doing something like this. But I'll share with you guys the rest of the bits and pieces that are going to go with that project very, very soon, probably within the next 2 or 3 days tops. You guys are going to have that project ready to go. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one has an oval. So some ovals and squares is basically what we're getting here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh man, oh I love that moth right there. Super pretty. Look at all these vines, like just oh yumminess, yumminess, you guys. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see how I'm going to incorporate these into my projects. I do apologize for all the noise. We are a live human family. We make noises, you guys. So yes, I love it. I love it. I hope you guys are able to see the beautiful images and the pages that you're going to be getting in this book. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Whenever I bump into them, like I buy them really, really quickly because you guys, this is fun for days, months, and years to come, I think. Oh, look at the grapes. I think I only ever did one mixed media canvas with something that looked like grapes, but I don't even think that they were grapes, but they just look like grapes. This is really cool, this cactus right here. So many different cactuses, you guys, or cacti, right? Cacti? So many different cacti, I guess. Cactuses, I don't think is the actual word for it. Oh yeah, they gave me a whole bunch of different, I got others of this in the book in the front as well. I love this. So here they're going into multiples, so they're giving you multiples of the same. which is really good because sometimes you need multiples of something in order to fill in a certain area of your page, in order to bring balance to your project, if you will. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so happy I found this book. I'm so happy I found this book. Some of you guys might already have this. I'm really excited that Amazon actually remembers the stuff that you like buy and that you like to see, because then they'll like, you know, recommend it to you and send you the, you know, you were interested in this, maybe you'll like this. Yes, Amazon, I do. I like it. I like it. All right, so this is by Penguin Random House. So this is like by the people that used to make the books for school. I remember that, the Random House. I remember that. I used to, my school books were from Random House. That's probably why the quality is so amazing. It's really, really good quality, you guys. Honestly speaking, it's like $18, but it's a good investment. Honestly, it's a good investment. I've spent so much money on stickers, you guys, throughout the years. I've spent so much money on stickers, you guys, and I ended up just kind of putting them, you know, away. I would use them, yeah, but I ended up selling most of them just because I just had so many. So I thought that investing into the books would be a lot smarter of an investment, because I can store it nicely. They're all in one place. I can just flip through them instead of taking them out of packaging, putting them back in packaging, you know, and then the packaging ends up getting messed up. But I absolutely love it. I think it's a really good investment, you guys. I also think that this is an amazing investment as well. It's a little bit different. Is it made by the same company? Um, Nope, this is actually made by a different company. So I'm gonna have to see if they actually have more of this brand. I really do like them, but again, they're similar. This is like a glossy paper. You can see the gloss on it. These are more matte. These are more matte finish. The pages are all in different colors, so you'll get a lot of variety, but you get a lot of amazing animals, a lot of amazing pictures. Like I said, another good investment, you guys. If you buy 2 books at all on Amazon, get these 2. If you're into journaling, if you're into mixed media, if you're into vintage crafts, if you're into paper crafts, if you're into making books, if you're into making folios, if you're into making whatever it is that you're into making, you're gonna get a really, really awesome deal with these 2, and you're gonna get so much, you guys. So much stickers. Like, it's an amazing investment. So I highly recommend them, you guys. I wanted to share. I will check you guys out on the next one. I am working. I have so much different stuff here in my section, you guys. And I have a few projects that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. As I make them, I'm going to be sharing them. I've been, you know, actively trying to get myself in there. This year, creatively speaking, has started way better than last year did for me. I'm full of a lot of energy to create, and I'm really excited to share with you guys all the different things that I'm going to be making for the rest of 2021. So please, you guys, join the family, become a happy crafter by joining and subscribing. Ring that bell down below, because you guys, I'm very sporadic. I'm just the way that I am with my art, all over the place. I'm the same way with my videos, you guys. Unfortunately, scheduling for me, it's just, I tried and I keep trying and I'll keep trying, but it's not always gonna work out in my favor. So just remember, if you hit that bell, that'll be most likely the surest way that you'll get a notification of my, you know, channel activities. Don't forget to check out my community posts. Follow me on my social medias, you guys. I have all of that information in the description area down below, but you can also get a quick shortcut if you just go to my channel, and on my about page, you're going to see all of my social media links and stuff like that there as well. Feel free to follow me, feel free to subscribe, and definitely feel free to comment down below and let me what you like. Tell me what you liked about these books, you guys, and I will check you guys out on the next one. Till then, happy crafting. Bye.